That's how we do it. Yeah, buddy.
Woo! Yeah.
Let's go, Terry. Oh, shit!
Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa, is this somebody right here? Oh, no, it's a person.
Is this a person or is it mud?
I don't want to kick you.
Holy crap. This is awesome.
What is that? Go over here. I'll help you up if you need it. Try it first. Is Eric underneath?
Is Eric?
Oh, there he is. Yeah, give me a hand. My left foot.
Left foot?
Yeah. Ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I was gonna try to get up here. Yeah, buddy.
Okay, this number's not lasting. I'm gonna lose this completely.
You want help? I'll help you if you want it.
Oh, there you go. Mud in my eye, but that's alright. Hope you don't hurt.
I'm gonna kick this dude in the face. Did Terry already go? Terry go yet? Oh, he was the first to go. Never mind.
Keep it up. Need another one?
Hang on. Nope. Not gonna do it. His foot.
Nice job, guys.
Ready?
Up and
1,
over the
2,
walls.
3.
Yeah, nice job. What you got it, Matt? Nice job, guys. Have a job.
Oh. Yeah.
Thank you. Nice job.
Here we go.
Good job, guys.
Free hugs? Oh, yeah, buddy.